Hello guys, this is Vyshnav. You are watching Android Burner. Guys, the Xiaomi Mi A2 which was launched in August this year has finally sat down to receive its shares of the big Google Pie. And this is receiving and latest Android software Android Pie. The update size is approximately 1068 MB, and the change logo mentioned before the update include what we already know about the Pi update: adaptive battery and brightness, similar way to navigate your phone, and recommended apps and action based on your context. If you don't see any update notification in the notification bar of your Xiaomi Mi A2 yet, check for any update manually in settings. If you still see nothing, just wait as patiently as you can for a few more days and it will be launched in this year. The Android Pie update is definitely in the process of being rolled out. The Mi A2 is Xiaomi's second Android One smartphone, with the first being the Mi A1. This means it gets a promise from Google to stay updated for up to years after launch and near stock version of the operating system. The Mi A2 becomes a natural choice for those who want a Xiaomi device without the MIUI interface. Users of the MI-A1 are accepted to that they are by update sometime in early 2019. The Xiaomi Mi-A2 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset with an octa-core processor clocked at 2.20 GHz. The smartphone sells in a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB and rupees 16,000, and 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage with 19,000. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like the video and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Bye bye.